Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm looking a little bit crazy right now because I'm mid full face. Every once in a great while, someone comments on my channel and asks for a makeup tutorial. So guess what? Today we're doing a really beautiful fall eye look. And we're going to be using a drugstore palette I almost forgot that I had. Today we're going to be using the MIALNI Gilded Terra palette. I believe this retails for about $15, but I will look it up and put the exact price on the screen for you guys. Now, if you just open it up and take a look, you can see there's a lot of fall looks we can do with this, between the browns, orangey browns, gold, plum purple. I want to do a multicolor fall cut crease today, and we're gonna be all up in this palette, so if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So I'm a little bit forgetful today. I'm pretty sure this is what I used on my lids, the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Fair, which is super pale, so just a fair warning. Oh my gosh, I didn't even mean to say fair. No pun intended. That's what I used to conceal the lid. I didn't set it. I'm actually going to take my Airspun, I'm going to set my lids and then the rest of my face as well, so that I can kind of bake, if that's even still a thing, while I'm doing the shadow. I'm going to be using the Morphe M431 to place some colors in my crease. What should we start with? We're going to start off soft with this mauve color called Bloom in the inner corner. Oh my goodness. I'm looking crazy up close. And then I'm going to start the same pattern on the opposite side of my bottom lid. We're going to do this kind of brick orangey brown. It's called Slow Burn. This looks really weird right now. This is my Real Techniques 402. Just gonna Alright, looking crazy, but don't worry. Okay, I want to do the dark green next. Holy pigment, y'all. Looks super crazy right now. So I'm really hoping it comes together. Okay, let's do gold, brown, purple. Maybe I should save gold for the lid. I need to get some more brushes involved. So yeah, this is kind of a metallic-y purple, and we're going far out with it. Why not? This is becoming very artsy. I need to brush away all this extra powder. I'm also gonna blend in my bake. So we need to buff out these colors. And this is insane, but this is all part of the process. Okay, so I know this is really messy down there, but I'm thinking of kind of leaving it so we have kind of like a watercolor, bleeding watercolor look going on. I am gonna take the pale off-white shade and go along the brow bone. And now we're going in with concealer, Incognito concealer in the shade Fair as well. And we're gonna make this very dramatic. So this is the size of my eyelid, and this is the size that I'm making it look right now. Now we get to go in with the gold. So I'm pretty much gonna cover the majority of the lid, but I'm gonna leave some white for a dramatic effect. So I have this cool tone gold and this warm one, and I think I'm gonna go with the warm one. A little splotchy because that's kind of like part of the look. So I really love how the gold splotches look on top of the concealer. It's total vibe. I don't know if this is doing too much, but I'm gonna try to a halo, or wait, what do they call it? You put like the metallic sparkly line. This is from Profusion. So this is subtle. I just hope you can see it on camera. It's a very thin line. How pretty this is. So I'm gonna be using this pinky purple shade called No Filter that we didn't use yet as blush. And this lovely shade called Enjoy the View is going to be highlight. A little glow. Definitely like this eye better. There's always got to be one that looks better. Okay, this is one of my bundles from eyelashplug.com, and I'm going to be using my Champagne Celebration lashes today. So to line the lips today, we're using the Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics. This is in the shade 1995. And then I'm going to put this beautiful coral lip gloss from Winky Lux on my center of my lips. Guys, here we have it, the final look. So I want to know what you guys think. Is it too much? Let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment. Subscribe while you're here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.